the real life politics meets the real life drama, a thriller called Maharani is created. And how should I describe my Jab We Met guest? She's right here. Welcome to Bihar.
Thank you so much. बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद.
And congratulations for Maharani.
Thank you.
It is as real as it can get.
It is.
And this is from the point of view of a Bihari who has covered Bihar politics very, very closely.
अब आपने बोल दिया यही हमको vote of vote चाहिए ना, approval चाहिए था. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
First visit to Patna?
First visit to Patna. I came here I think 7 years ago for some, like an event, but hardly कुछ घंटों के लिए. But first time properly in Patna and I'm loving it. I don't know why we've not come here before.
Huma, you're coming in the middle of an election season.
जी.
The first vote will be cast. There'll be counting after the second phase. Yours is a political thriller. What kind of research did you do on Bihar politics?
I think I would like to say I have a very bare minimum understanding of politics, whether in Bihar or India level. But I think mota आप बोल सकते हैं. I feel the show is so well written, and Mr. Subhash Kapoor, Mr. Nandan, Mr. Uma, they're such good writers, and I think in 4 years, this is our 4th season. So it says a lot about not just their skill and talent as writers and the speed of it, but also their astute understanding of politics, because I think each season has just gotten bigger, better, and more sort of, granular. And I mean, my job is actually quite easy. I just have to really authentically, in the moment, just be the character.
So let me tell you, ये आपका house है, Chief Minister's house.
Not bad.
And this is the Governor's house, जहाँ पे आप जाती हैं अपने series में multiple times to navigate this office also. So
ये तो बड़ा आसपास है.
Yes, it's interesting.
It's quite interesting.
And 500 meters from here is the Bihar Assembly. So पूरा पटना जो power center है,
it's like a 2-kilometer radius.
2-kilometer radius.
What fun.
So movements, politicians का इधर से उधर बहुत आसान होता है.
Nice.
So this is also literally what we see in your series. You know, turncoats, switchovers.
I guess that's what makes it exciting, right? Because you never know which way loyalties will be and who's going to flip at what given point in time and what really are the agendas of the people and also the politicians behind the scenes. So it's fascinating. I think यही शो की पावर है. I call it political fantasy fiction.
Okay.
कि मतलब कुछ आपने ऐसा देखा है, सुना है, ऐसा हुआ है, but not entirely so. Like I remember जब season 1 आया था तो बहुत लोगों ने बोला अरे आपने राबड़ी जी की जीवनी पे बनाया है. And we're like not at all. I think just the starting point is there. कि एक महिला जो जमीन से जुड़ी हुई है, जिसका कोई political background नहीं है, उसको अगर मुख्यमंत्री बना दिया जाए तो क्या होगा? But I think that was just the starting point. And after that, of course, the series has taken a different turn.
Multiple twists and turns.
Yes.
लेकिन हुमा उसमें आज ये जो next series आपका जो season 4 आ रहा है, उसकी timing बड़ी interesting है. You can't get it more right than this. So that will force everyone to go back to all the other seasons.
Yes, I believe so. I think it's happening. I think Maharani is just a very loved show. I have met people who've told me मैंने 3 बारी देखा है, तीनों season, you know. And people, I think it happens that just before the next season is dropping, they like to refresh their memory. We are very happy. It means more subscriptions for the channel, more love for the show, and we get to keep making season after season. ये मेरा तो agenda बहुत simple है इसमें. I want कि a strong female-centric show, which is political, which is female forward, is so inspiring for women in general in our country, and we need those kind of role models, if not in real life, at least in real life.
Absolutely. And Huma, one of the as you said, you play the role of Bihar's only woman chief minister in Rabdi Devi in many ways. Of course, it's evolved, it's fictional.
And now on to national politics. So perhaps the only Bihari female prime minister of the country. Who knows?
Who knows? And uneducated, a homemaker who is reluctant politician.
जी.
उसको एक level पे वो पहुंचाया जाता है. Then her ambitions get ignited. Then she becomes a force, a political force. She has social reasoning. ये सब बहुत ही interesting mixture है. So how is it navigating? How are you playing it?
fun. I think it's a perfect hero's arc. एक perfect hero की journey होती है. कभी भी reluctant heroes जो होते हैं वो ज़्यादा fascinating होते हैं because you know they actually don't really have the lure of power or the lalach of power. And I think she never had that in her. She was a very simple woman, wanted the best for her kids, for her husband, but she was thrust into power. But once she was in it, it's like a fish taking to water. You know, and now she's really, in season 4, become a very astute politician.
Right.
She knows what she's talking about. She knows what drives her. And she wants to do best for her state and for her people. And that transition is so beautiful, right? For me, it was tough. Because I thought, at least in season 1, the naivety of Rani Bharti, you know, the innocence that she has, and perhaps a bit of quirk and a little bit of comedic relief that one had. I wanted to continue it, but I think the way the writing is evolved, and Mr. Subhash Kapoor, who's our showrunner, creator, I think he was very clear that he wanted to see her become this political animal who now knows the rules. And she's a major player, and she sits on the table with all these men, and she's really driving the politics of the state.
And not only is she a political animal, she is also someone who is politically suave.
Yes, absolutely.
And she plays her cards, keeps her cards very close to her chest.
Yes.
Doesn't reveal at all.
Like most politicians.
Most politicians. But many would say unlike several women politicians.
You think so? I don't know. I mean, I feel it's very unfortunate, but I mean, गिन चुन के 4-5 नाम ही दिमाग में आते हैं जब आप female politicians की बात करते हैं, which needs to change. Hopefully, more people will watch our show and get inspired to join active politics or active policy making. The more women that are there in these rooms, in the assembly, the more I think better reforms for women will happen in the country. And it's kind of tragic, but like I said, no, sometimes fiction allows us to create heroes when real life does not really throw them up.
You have spoken about 4 women politicians. You say that there are 3 to 4 that comes to your mind. Who are these?
बताइए, राबड़ी देवी हो गई,
हाँ.
इंदिरा गांधी हो गई, ममता बनर्जी हो गई, स्मृति ईरानी हो गई. I don't know who else. Jayalalitha हो गई. Who else?
Very few.
Very few. I mean, I'm just talking about like, I'm sure there are many more.
Mayawati.
Sonia Gandhi ji. So there are many, but I just feel like, I mean, I feel there should be so many that we can't put them on a A4 Excel list.
Uma, it is often said that Bihar grows on you. क्योंकि अगर आप बिहार में हैं तो एक जनरल इंस्टिंक्ट होती है इस स्टेट को समझने की.
जी.
और क्योंकि आपने कास्ट भी पढ़ा है, एम्बिशंस भी पढ़ा है, एस्पिरेशंस भी पढ़ा है अपने सीरीज के लिए.
जी.
Would you want to come and do perhaps next series, next shooting in Patna?
I would love to, and I think I'm going to go back after this visit and really like campaign for the fact that we should at least come for a short schedule to Patna. But I think the decision will be made after lunch today.
Okay.
क्योंकि वो खाना डिसाइड करेगा कि हमको आना चाहिए कि नहीं.
Absolutely.
तो आपके हाथ में आप हमको लंच पे कहाँ लेके जा रही हैं?
Absolutely, I'm taking you to a nice place. That will be a surprise for you.
Okay.
And Bihari cuisine, I'll introduce you to that. And that is the statue of Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Yes.
The first president of India, and he was a Bihari. So
Incredible.
the significance of the contribution that has come
Absolutely.
in of politicians from Bihar.
I think Bihar has played a major role in national politics, and I think the contribution is immense, and maybe we should talk about it and discuss it even more. It's incredible, and I think this state is so sort of politically suave, as they say. Yeah.
Yes, that's right. So let's go to our next place. That's my college.
Okay.
The students of my college are looking forward to seeing you.
What fun! What fun! Come.
This is Patna Women's College, perhaps one of the oldest educational institutions in Bihar. And the topmost IPS and IS officers, women IS officers from Bihar have all studied here. They have been the
Also
alumni.
your college.
Yes, absolutely. Tell me about your college and education.
I went to Gargi College, GU, and I must tell you that, I was I resented it at first. I wanted to go to St. Stephen's but never got the marks. And then my parents wanted me to go to Gargi because वो बोल रहे थे अच्छा college है, girls college है, घर के पास है, यहाँ चले जाओ. So I thought I might not have a good time over there because I went to a co-ed school, Rai school. But then, you know, I think going there was the best decision of my life. It really changed me and really shaped my personality. In the sense that in a girls' college, everything you have to do on your own. There are no like male jobs and female jobs. If I had to do a play, whether it was college permissions or like lights or any of the heavy lifting tasks, we had to do everything on our own.
Yeah.
And जब मैं Bombay भी गई, I realized that it felt strange because on sets also there's some girl-friendly jobs and male-friendly jobs, and I kind of resented that. And my whole life, I think I've just fought against that. कि नहीं भाई सारे काम होते हैं. There are no male jobs and female jobs in life.
Okay. So these are the girls of Patna Women's College. Meet Huma Qureshi.
Hi guys. Hi. How are you? How lovely.
How many of you have seen Maharani? या देखने वाली हैं या देख चुकी हैं? See, that's a good enough number.
Nice.
Please
आप लोग
do.
बड़े सुंदर हो यार. मतलब this is
Come
so
closer.
pretty you all are looking.
Come closer. Yes.
How pretty you all are looking. ऐसे आप तैयार होके आते हो रोज कॉलेज? क्या बात है यार. हम लोग तो ऐसे
let's talk.
गंदा टी-शर्ट और ऐसे कुचैले से जीन्स पहन के चले जाते थे. So pretty.
What motivated or encouraged you to play such a bold series?
Oh wow.
Maharani.
I don't think it's bold. You know, it's very.
It's very powerful.
Thank
literally.
you. Thank you so much. That means so much coming from you guys because, I mean, it really is a person that represents you in a way. I think it's just the writing and I don't know. I like playing strong female characters with a lot of agency, with a voice, with a perspective, with a point of
Why
view.
don't you guys come join us on
You
this
know?
side?
Yes, ma'am.
So I really enjoy playing characters like that. As an actress, I feel it's my responsibility कि मुझे मौका दिया जाए तो कम से कम, you know, I must play better role models because when I was growing up, I didn't have so many role models I could look up to. So I feel like अगर मुझे मौका मिल रहा है, तो I would choose to do these bold characters.
My question is, you are playing a female politician in this film, and usually we see when female politicians are there, their husbands rule over and
Yes.
they take decisions on their behalf. But your character is so strong; she takes up decisions very well. And so, what do you think about women in politics?
मुझे लगता है कि हमारे घरों में हो या पॉलिटिक्स में हो औरतें ही सब डिसीजन लेती है. नहीं, ये आई थिंक एक बहुत अच्छा एक मेल फैंटेसी है कि आप यू बी द फेस ऑफ इट एंड वील रियली कंट्रोल द स्ट्रिंग. आई डोंट थिंक सो. दैट्स ट्रू. And for the show, definitely, and in my personal life also, I have never known a woman who's not strong. But strength sometimes comes in many shapes and forms. Sometimes being quiet is also strength. Sometimes being
absolutely.
resilient is also strength. But strength को हम सिर्फ एक ही तरीके से देखते हैं. तो strength से male gaze हटाने की हमको जरूरत है.
How much do you relate to with your character?
How much do I relate entirely? I mean, if you look at it on surface, I'm nothing like Rani Bharti. You know, I went to a college very much like yours. I mean, not as beautiful, but a girls' college, Gargi College. I have had a very urban education. I'm from Delhi. My father's from Delhi. My mother's from Kashmir. So I don't have like a drop of Bihari blood in me. But somehow, whenever in life I've played a Bihari character, the audiences have really sort of appreciated it, and the love I've got for Maharani has been incredible.
I am your big fan, but I am a bigger fan of Sakib. So why didn't you bring him along with you?
ये देखो इधर आओ. साकिब, ये तुम्हारी फैन मुझे यहाँ पे मिली है, ठीक है. और मेरे को हमेशा जब सुंदर लड़कियाँ होती हैं वो सिर्फ मेरे भाई की फैन होती हैं. So I don't blame you.
No,
I'll bring him next time. I think हमने अभी प्लान बनाया यहाँ पे शूटिंग करेंगे. तो जब हम यहाँ पे आएंगे तो I think मैं आप.
yes, please.
ओहो.
आपने बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए हैं, एज यू सेड बोल्ड कैरेक्टर्स. सो व्हाट इज दैट वन कैरेक्टर दैट यू रियली लुक अप टू? क्योंकि आपकी मैंने जो बहुत रिसेंट मूवी देखी थी, दैट वाज XXL.
Yes.
So that was very beautiful, and your bond with Sonakshi was very, very beautiful. I look up to my friend as that.
How lovely. She's your best friend?
Yeah. So I really want to know कि what was going through that, कि इतना connection दिखा आपका on camera. Is it off camera too, or is it just?
No. Sona is a very, very dear friend of mine. She's like my sister, and we have a beautiful bond. And I'm so fortunate that I have a friend, a sister in my same profession, and there's so many things we relate to, we can talk about, we share with each other. I think we don't talk about female friendships enough. And मैं bold role नहीं करती हूँ. मैं पता है कैसे रोल करती हूँ? मैं सिर्फ वो रोल करने की कोशिश करती हूँ जिसमें हम जो एक लड़की होने के एक्सपीरियंस को हम फुल्ली एक्सप्रेस कर सके, क्योंकि अदरवाइज हमारी राइटिंग में ना जो पॉपुलर मीडिया में या पॉपुलर कल्चर में होती है बहुत सरफेस लेवल पे होती हैं कि अच्छा हीरो जाके जंग कर रहा है और तुम घर पे उसका वेट कर रही हो. एंड आई एम लाइक अरे बट वाई, मैं तुम्हारी जर्नी की सिर्फ एक्सेसरी थोड़ी हूँ, मेरी अपनी भी जर्नी. एंड आई फील ऑल women are heroes, and I feel we have to represent the female experience completely. We are good, we are bad, we are beautiful, we are ugly, we are strong, we are patient, we are weak, we are all of these things. तो female experience को express करना bold है तो ठीक है, then I'm bold, है ना?
Thank you.
And I really want that all you girls should watch such films and in your own personal life just express and be who you are and not feel that you're doing anything wrong. There is no shame in expressing yourself and being authentic to yourself.
Thank
you are
you so
very
much.
beautiful and you're a stunning girl and you have a beautiful, not just a
Capture this guy's Uma Kara.
yeah, no, but it's true. It's true. You're a very beautiful girl.
Thank
You not just have a beautiful face, but you have a beautiful mind. And I'm sure when Saqib will see this, he will want your number. So you can slip me your number right now.
Okay, and Bihar for the last 20 years has been discussing a lot about women voters. You know, it's a state where women as a constituency, as a political constituency, as a social constituency have been nurtured by the present Chief Minister, that is Nitish Kumar. So women as a constituency, as a vote bank, how do you see that?
I don't understand politics too well, and I don't pretend to be a political animal. I'm a very common sense person. ठीक है, मतलब कुछ चीजें I think आपको ज़्यादा ज्ञानी होने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. As long as any political parties are actually, you know, including women in their policy, in how they're shaping laws and regulations for them, and not just doing lip service, and not just using them as like a, I don't know, like a vote bank or doing some kind of tokenism. As long as real women issues are actually addressed and there is genuine work on that, I think it's a great step in the right direction. But अभी तक तो मुझे ऐसे कुछ समझ आ नहीं रहा है.
As you said that you're from Delhi and your mother is also a Kashmiri and there's no blood of Bihari in you, like I'm just asking.
My Atma is Bihari.
I get that. So, how did you feel playing a Bihari women role? And can you please share one of your favorite dialogues from that web series?
बिल्कुल
wow.
सही, ये सवाल बहुत अच्छा है.
बहुत सारे फेवरेट हैं.
हम इनके बिहारी टोन को टेस्ट कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
नहीं वो तो मैम आप नींद से उठा के बुलवा दीजिए, हम बोल देंगे.
देखिए हम भी आ गए.
Yeah, वो तो है. But no, I feel so for me what was really important ना, again in popular medium, बिहार की औरत मतलब गवारिन होगी, you know, uneducated होगी, उसको अकल नहीं होगी, गांव में काम करती है, खेत में काम करती है, तो क्या ही पता होगा. And I really resented that thought process. मुझे लगा यार ये क्या बकवास है. जिन औरतों की हम बात कर रहे हैं ये पूरा घर चलाती हैं, ये खेतों में काम करती हैं, फैमिलीज चलाती हैं, इनको मैथमेटिक्स की स्पेलिंग चाहे ना आती हो बट मैथ्स करना आता है, क्योंकि घर में जब आप यू नो, एंड आई फील इट्स सो अनफॉर्चुनेट एज अ सोसाइटी. अगर आप अंग्रेजी में बात नहीं कर सकते तो मतलब आप अनपढ़ हैं, गधे हैं, गंवार हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता. इंग्लिश इज नॉट अ मेट्रिक टू आइडेंटिफाई कि आप कितने इंटेलिजेंट हैं. एंड वी वॉन्टेड टू कैप्चर द नेटिव विजडम दिस औरत हैड. जो जमीन से जुड़ी जो नॉलेज होती है उसको लेके भी यू नो आप कैसे खुद की लाइफ बेटर कर सकते हो, अपने घर की लाइफ बेटर कर सकते हो, देश की लाइफ बेटर कर सकते हो. सीजन 1 में एक बहुत कमाल की स्पीच है जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है क्योंकि बहुत प्यारी लिखी गई है. उसमें बोलती है कि आप सब विद्वान लोग जो है ना से समस्या का बात करते हैं, हमें समस्या के बीच पैदा हुए हैं. And at that, when I was saying it also, I got goose flesh because in my head, like suddenly you understood for what she was trying to say, what she represents, and then of course, हाथी चले बाजार, एक कुत्ता भौंके हजार. I think that has to be my favorite dialogue from the series.
If Rani Bharti could give one political advice to young women in India, so what it could be?
Oh, that's a lovely question. That's a real lovely question. I think Rani would ask them to do something that she perhaps didn't have the opportunity to do, is to study. Because now in subsequent seasons, if you see her journey also, she's trying very hard, whether it's learning how to write her own name or to study, and most of what she is by experience, but also she's trying to really study. And I feel just do that. I feel it's very important to get a solid education, and I would urge all women to really sort of focus on that. It will give you the wings to really fly.
I want you to meet Roma.
Hi, Roma.
Please meet Huma.
Hi.
Roma was the one who.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
The college is shut.
हाँ.
Okay.
Oh, आज छुट्टी है.
आज छुट्टी है. Hi,
नमस्कार, सर.
And Roma इन सब की टीचर है.
अरे वाह.
She teaches them.
थैंक यू मैम. आपने मुझे मेरी एक प्रोफेसर की याद दिला दी, रंजना मैम. वो हमें हिस्ट्री पढ़ाती थी. I think when you have such pleasant, dynamic young teachers and professors, they really inspire you to be better students.
Means a lot.
No, of course. Thank you so much. I'm really so happy. Thank you for bringing me here. This is
And
really
thank
lovely.
you to Roma. And thank you to our principal, Dr. Sishna. So let's talk about Huma Qureshi. Her own journey with Gangs of Wasipur to multiple roles that you have played, from cinema to web series. How do you look at it? How has it been? Satisfactory, or would you say that you're yearning for more?
I think मुकाम अभी बहुत बाकी है. बहुत सारे चीजें हैं जो करनी है, जो अगर आप content हो जाए तो it should be the end of your career, right?
हाँ.
But I feel like, I mean, so far so good. I think for a kid who came from nowhere, didn't know anyone in the city of Mumbai, to have this solid career, to have worked with the directors I have worked with, have this body of work where I've worked in India, internationally, pan-India, OTT, I've pretty much done everything. So if you told this girl 10 years, 12 years back that this would be her path, I probably wouldn't believe it. But I think God's been kind. But I mean, aspirations and dreams are far from over. I think there's a lot more that one wants to do and one needs to achieve.
So now Bihar is known almost like
Haan.
Patna, I would say.
It's
Patna
quite
is,
lovely, huh?
This is it's the Bihar Museum. Patna is now the city of museums.
Oh, really?
We celebrate our heritage. So let's go to Pot Belly and serve you some Bihari cuisine.
Oh, what fun.
Come.
What fun. You want the chutney?
No, I'm good. And Huma, 2012 is when Gangs of Wasipur comes. Then for 13 years, you have chosen various mediums. And I would say that that's a choice because several actors have moved away from big screen to
Right.
web series. What do you find most fulfilling?
Whatever has a better check size. No, I'm just joking. But I really feel like it's a story that determines the medium, not the other way down. Like, say for example, I started my career with a very unconventional film, which was Gangs of Wasipur, which at that point in time was made with a bunch of all new people, relatively. Nobody apart from, say, Manoj sir. No one knew anybody. Made into a 2-part film. But actually probably it was more suited for like a series in today's climate, if you know what I mean. So very unconventional in that sense. But अगर आप बोलो कि वो same चीज को हम 2 घंटे की फिल्म में scrunch up कर दें तो मजा नहीं आएगा. You really have to sort of explore the world and the characters in the dunya. And if a show like Maharani was to be made into a film, it would just, it would not do justice. You know, you really have to get into the stories and the dunya. But some stories, I mean, they need it for the big screen, sort of explosive spectacle viewing. So it's really, the story determines what you want to do.
Tell me about Zeba, the book. An Accidental Hero, your debut novel.
The Accidental Superhero.
Superhero.
It's about a female superhero. Fantasy fiction novel. My COVID baby, I call it. दुनिया बंद थी, समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करने वाले हैं. So I had this idea which I wanted to make into a TV series, and I sent it to my agents in the US, and they said बहुत अच्छा idea, but it needs a few $100 million, and who are you? तुमको इतना पैसा कोई क्यों देगा? I said point. So when COVID happened, I had this idea. I was like, okay, let me try and convert this into like a book as opposed to a script. Sounds more intellectual and cooler. So I'm actually a published author, and I sent it to HarperCollins, and they responded very nicely. And my editor really pushed me, and Paulomi and Himali, who's my agent. I mean, there really have been some very strong women behind the scenes who made this book come true. And I mean, they're pushing me to write another one. I just don't have the time. I don't know when part 2 is going to happen.
You've also ventured into southern cinema. How does that navigation actually work? Because we are seeing a lot of Bollywood actors get into it. Is it more money, more acceptability, more audience, or exploring with language? What plays on your mind?
Everything. I mean, I've done a few films in the past. I worked with Rajni sir on Kala, with Ajit sir on Valimai. And I really find my collaboration with the South directors and teams very, very interesting. They have a very different way of looking at stories. They have very, very rooted stories, which sort of take in account the milieu that they're trying to talk to, but they also told with a much larger than life perspective. So it's very interesting. Really enjoyed it, and the future projects also I'm doing. I'm not at liberty to talk too much about it, but very exciting sensibility, very exciting vision, and I think you know, in some ways they watch a lot of international stuff, but they exactly know their audiences and who they're making the stories for, and I find that very, very interesting. Which is why I think they're able to reach an audience which is now called the pan-Indian audience. So Champaran mutton को Champaran mutton क्यों बोलते हैं? What is the, do you know?
ये बिहार का एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट है चंपारण, वेस्ट चंपारण, ईस्ट चंपारण के नाम से जाना जाता है. वहाँ की एक cuisine है, and it's cooked differently.
तो बहुत ही स्वाद है यार.
Okay, on that note, we should end this conversation. Thank you for your time, and thank you for traveling to Patna for this interview.
Thank you for this lovely meal. I would come back all the way again just to eat this meal. I'm such a foodie. देखा मैं बात करते करते कितनी सारी बातें कर ली आपसे.
Now you can enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.